I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 14, simple present tense. Tense. It indicates the time of an action. Tense are three types: present, past and future tense. Simple present tense. Present tense has subtopic which is simple present tense. Verbs in simple present tense talk about actions that happen in the present time or regularly. For example, he wakes up at 8 o'clock every day. It shows habit of any person that he or she wake up at 8 o'clock or whatever the time every day. I walk to school. It shows a regularity. Rohit works in a bank. It shows permanent situation of Rohit. She likes lilies. It shows likes or any dislikes for anything. The earth revolves around the sun. It is fact that the earth revolves around the sun only. The train leaves at 5:30 a.m. It shows timetable of train. So, as from this, we understand that present tense shows any habit, regularity, permanent situation of anything, likes or dislikes of any person, facts, and timetable. Yusuf walks in the park. If we are talking about any singular noun, we have to put s at the end of the verb, s or es, like walks. The original verb is walk. Because of Yusuf, Yusuf is a singular noun, so we have to put s at the end of walk. So it will become walks. Yusuf walks in the park. Kavya goes to the dentist. Kavya is the name of a girl. One girl, singular noun. So we have to put es at the end of the verb go. So it will become goes. Kavya goes to the dentist. Then the boy reads a book. One boy is reading a book, so we have to put s at the end of the verb. So reads. The boy reads a book. Neha and Rudra fly kite. Neha and Rudra, two names, means plural form. So no need to change any verb. So it will become as it is. Neha and Rudra fly kite. No I, no IES, no S or no ES. As it is, fly. Then next, they run a race. They is a plural form. So only run, no runs. They run a race. We iron our shirts. We is a plural form. So iron, we iron our shirts.
Tense is used to talk about a hobby, daily event, or a habit. It is also used to express thoughts, feelings, and permanent facts. Tense takes two forms depending upon the subject: the simple form and the S and the ES form. Now let's take the verb eat. Here, with the subject I and you, the verb eat remains in its simple form, eat, only without any special endings such as ing, s or es. Let's take the second one. Here also the simple form of the verb eat is being used, with the subject we and they. Please note that the simple form of the verb is its actual or plain form, without any special endings such as s, es, ing, etc. Now let's check what happens when plural nouns are used. With plural nouns, such as cats, children, boys, etc., the simple form of the verb eat is being used. But if the subject is a third person, such as he, she, or it, we use eats, which is the plural form of the verb eat. Now learn to make negative statements using the simple present tense. The negative statements can be formed by following the given rules, which says we can use I, we, you, they, or any other plural subject with do not and add the root form of the verb and the object or complement and make a negative statement. Similarly, using he, she, it, or any other singular subjects with does not plus the root form of the verb and the object or complement, we make a negative simple present tense in the negative form. Here are two examples. Examples: they do not want to throw the bouquets. He does not want to go to school. Now let's recap. Tense of a verb tells us when an action occurs. A simple present tense is used to talk about a hobby, daily event, or a habit. Present thoughts, feelings, and permanent facts are also expressed in simple present tense. We use the plural form of the verbs in the sentences if the subject is a third person, such as he, she, or it. The negative statements can be formed in simple present tense by following the given rules, which says we can use I, we, you, they, or any other plural subject with do not and add the root form of the verb and the object or complement and make a negative statement. Similarly, using he, she, it, or any other singular subjects with does not plus the root form of the verb and the object or complement, we make a negative simple present sentence in the negative form.
Now your text exercise so you can understand easily. Complete the sentences with the simple present tense forms of the word in the bracket. As you can see, bracket here, we have to convert it into simple present tense and complete this sentence. So let's start. Will you dash me a story? Bracket is tell. So will you is a plural form. So with you, we use only tell, not tells. Answer is tell. Will you tell me a story? Next is she dash craft to school kids. Teach. Option is teach. She is a singular form, so we have to put es at the end of the word teach. It will become teaches. She teaches craft to school kids. Then they blank to Nainital every summer. They is a plural form, so no need to change in verb. It will stay as it is. They go to Nainital every summer. Complete the sentences using the correct simple present tense form. Here you can see two options. We have to select correct one and put it into the given blank. Rohit dash for the school basketball team. Option is play and plays. As we know, Rohit is a singular form, so we have to put plays. Okay, so answer is plays, because Rohit is singular form, so we have to add s at the end of the word play. Answer is Rohit plays for the school basketball team. Second one is Kiran blank to be a doctor. Kiran is a singular name, only one name of girl. So answer is wants. Kiran wants to be a doctor. The students blank lunch quietly. Students, plural form. So no need to add s or es at the end of the verb. Answer eat. The students eat lunch quietly. Next is rearrange the words and write the sentences in the simple present tense. Here you can see there are verbs which are not in sequence. We have to put it in a sequence and make one sentence which is belong to simple present tense. So first is I every night teeth my brush. Answer I brush my teeth every night. I brush. I. So I is a first person singular. So only brush, no brushes. I brush my teeth every night. Then second is restaurant. She, it every day at the. As we know here, she is given. Pronoun she is given. So we have to edit it according this she. So answer is she eats at restaurant every day. We have to convert eat to its because she is a singular now. Mohan and Aman football every evening play. Mohan and Aman, two names, means plural form. So don't have to change the verb play. It will remain as it is. Answer is Mohan and Aman play football every evening. So like this way you have to complete all your text and file exercise. Thank you.